Crowded places can be overwhelming, especially when you're someone who craves quiet moments and personal space while traveling. So, what should introverts actually pack for a place like Cancun? If you've ever needed a vacation to recover from your vacation, this guide is for you. If you're heading to Cancun and you're not into beach parties or jam-packed boats, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing what to pack as an introvert heading to Cancun. Essentials that will help you relax, recharge, and truly enjoy your trip to Cancun without feeling drained. As introverts, we often need a little more calm and control to truly enjoy new places. But travel usually means noise, crowds, and constant stimulation. That's why what you pack matters. The right essentials can help you avoid being overwhelmed and carve out moments of calm, even in a busy destination like Cancun. These items help you reset and take breaks when you need them. Noise-canceling headphones or earbuds, great for the flight, tour buses, or cancelling out loud noises. A good book helps you wind down and gives us a nice "I'm happily occupied" signal in public spaces. Travel journal plus pen to reflect, plan your day, or clear your head before bed. Personally, I prefer using the Notes app on my phone. Portable power bank, so you don't have to leave your cozy spot just to charge your phone. Neck pillow, especially helpful on the plane or during long day trips to places like Chichen Itza. If this is helping you already feel more prepared for your trip, go ahead and like this video. It helps more introverts find these kinds of travel tips. These help you move through public spaces comfortably. Large sun hat or cap plus sunglasses. They shield your face from the sun and give you a little emotional buffer. In my case, I don't use sunglasses because I use transient lenses. Light shawl or wrap, great for layering when the AC is blasting or covering up in restaurants, or just creating a subtle barrier when you need some space. It's one of those small things that instantly make you feel more at ease. Small day pack keeps your stuff secure and your hands free. Less worry equals more ease. These are the must-haves. You can always adjust based on your own style, but this is a solid starting point. Pro tip: start a packing checklist on your phone a couple of days before your trip. That way, you can keep adding things as you think of them and avoid forgetting something important. Here's what I recommend: a swimsuit, swimming cap to protect your hair so that it doesn't get wet while you're swimming or in the water, and a towel. Although I'll admit towels are usually provided at the places where you can swim, so at the hotel resort or at the beach, but it's always handy just to have one. It's best you carry one and you don't need it than you need one and you don't have one. So yeah. For sun protection, you'll need an umbrella, sun hat, cap, sunglasses, and very important, sunscreen. Summery, breathable clothes. Cotton or linen is best. Comfortable walking shoes, plus sandals, slides, Flip-flops, also known as slippers. I personally find this really useful in the hotel, like when I'm taking a shower. I really love using this. It's so comfortable. Self-care kit includes your toiletries, skincare products, medications or painkillers, and insect repellent. Cash for tips, souvenirs, plus emergency funds. Debit credit cards, travel documents, reusable water bottle to keep you hydrated. Plus, it's great for the environment. Rather than doing away with plastic water bottles, you can just keep using your water bottle over and over again. Snacks, especially handy on excursions or quiet solo breaks. When you pack with intention, you give yourself the freedom to travel your own way with fewer distractions and more comfort. So what are my top must-haves? Earbuds, power bank, a physical book or an audiobook on my phone that I can listen to. Shawl, you can't catch me stepping out without a shawl. And space in your day for breaks. And here's a final tip. Actually schedule downtime into your trip. Put it in your itinerary, whether that's sitting on your hotel balcony or taking a nap. It's okay to pause. You're allowed to enjoy your vacation without feeling every moment. Note to self. Question of the day. What is your one non-negotiable item you pack to protect your peace and quiet while you're traveling? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your ideas. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.